Hey guys, are you want to buy best computer power supplies? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best computer power supplies that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Corsair Power Supplies, the RMx Series fully modular power supply is built for reliability, efficiency, and modern system demands. With its modular cabling design, you only connect the cables your system requires, keeping builds clean and clutter-free. Certified with a Cybernetics Gold rating, it delivers up to 91 efficiency, reducing power consumption, lowering noise, and keeping temperatures under control. Built to meet the latest ATX 3.1 standard, it supports PCIe 5.1 and is engineered to handle transient power spikes with ease, ensuring long-term stability for high-performance systems. A native 12V-2x6 connector provides direct compatibility with the newest graphics cards, eliminating the need for bulky adapters. Installation is seamless with sleek embossed cables and low-profile combs, offering both flexibility and a professional look. Whether you're upgrading or building a new PC, the RMx is a dependable, quiet, and future-ready power supply that balances performance with efficiency, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. Now our second product is Segotep Power Supplies. The Segotep GN-650 power supply is a reliable and efficient option for powering modern PC builds. With its 80+ Gold certified rating, it guarantees exceptional energy efficiency, helping reduce power consumption and heat while maintaining stable performance. Featuring a single 12V output, it delivers consistent, reliable power even under demanding workloads, making it a strong choice for gaming or professional use. The global voltage adaptation feature ensures versatility, allowing the PSU to function seamlessly whether at home or abroad, making it ideal for frequent travelers. Designed with 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors, it easily supports the latest 40 series graphics cards, ensuring compatibility for high-end gaming or workstation setups. While it comes with a non-modular design, the integrated cabling promotes neat cable management and improves airflow for a cooler, more efficient system. Balancing performance, efficiency, and stability, the Segotep GN-650 is a dependable power supply that meets the needs of modern hardware with confidence. Our third product is Be Quiet Power Supplies. The Be Quiet Pure Power 13M1000W is a premium power supply designed for efficiency, silence, and future-proof performance. Certified 80+ Gold with up to 94.4 efficiency, it reduces power consumption, lowers costs, and ensures quieter, cooler operation, ideal for gaming PCs and silent builds. Fully ATX 3.1 compliant, it comes with a native 12V-2x6 connector for next-gen PCIe 5.1 GPUs, plus 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors for current graphics cards, making it versatile for both present and future systems. Delivering 1000 W of continuous power through a single robust 12V rail, it easily handles transient spikes up to double its rated capacity, ensuring stability for demanding processors and GPUs. The semi-passive 0 RPM mode allows the fan to remain off under low loads, delivering near-silent operation, while the airflow-optimized fan ensures efficiency under higher demand. With LLC topology for rock-solid voltage regulation and modular cables for clean builds and improved airflow, the Pure Power 13M1000W is a reliable, quiet, and future-ready PSU. Now number 4, Corsair SF1000 Power Supplies. The 80+ Platinum-rated SFX power supply delivers exceptional efficiency and reliability in a compact form factor, making it ideal for small form factor builds or saving space in larger cases. With Platinum certification, it ensures lower power consumption, cooler operation, and long-term cost savings. Fully ATX 3.0 compliant and PCIe 5.0 ready, it's built to handle next-generation platforms while resisting transient power spikes for stable performance with powerful GPUs. Its fully modular design, paired with Type 5 microfit connectors, provides maximum flexibility, clean cable management, and compatibility even in tight spaces. Cooling is handled by a 92mm PWM fan with a fluid dynamic bearing, offering excellent airflow with whisper-quiet operation. Built with 105 degrees Celsius rated Japanese capacitors, it guarantees long-lasting durability and unwavering power delivery under heavy loads. Whether you're building a compact powerhouse or upgrading a high-end system, this SFX PSU combines efficiency, performance, and reliability in a space-saving design, making it a top-tier choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. And our last choice is Corsair HX1200i power supplies. The Corsair power supply is built to deliver efficiency, silence, and modern compatibility, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Its fully modular cabling system allows you to connect only what you need, resulting in a cleaner, more organized build with improved airflow. Certified to the Intel ATX 3.1 standard, it fully supports the PCIe Gen 5 platform and is engineered to handle transient power spikes, ensuring long-term stability with next-generation GPUs. Cooling is managed by a 140mm fluid dynamic bearing fan, providing exceptionally quiet and durable performance, while 0 RPM fan mode ensures silent operation during low and medium loads. The powerful Corsair ICUE software integration gives you complete control, allowing custom fan curves, real-time monitoring, and on-the-fly switching between single and multi-rail OCP. Designed for high performance and whisper-quiet operation, this PSU combines cutting-edge technology with practical features, making it a dependable, future-ready power solution for any advanced PC build. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.